How to transfer crypto from Bitget exchange to Bitget wallet. Hey everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to transfer crypto from your Bitget exchange account to your Bitget wallet. Let's dive right in. First, log into your Bitget exchange account. Once logged in, go to your assets section, and this is where you'll find the cryptocurrencies you currently hold in your account. Choose the cryptocurrency you want to transfer and click on the crypto, and you'll see the option to withdraw. Select this option to start the transfer process. Now, open your Bitget wallet app or access it through the web. Copy your wallet address for the specific cryptocurrency you want to transfer. Make sure you're copying the correct address for the correct network. Go back to the Bitget exchange and paste your Bitget wallet address into the withdrawal field. Double check that the address is correct. After confirming, enter the amount you want to transfer, then hit submit. You might need to complete a 2FA code for security. Once submitted, your transfer will be processed, so you can check the status of your withdrawal in your transaction history section on both the exchange and the wallet. And that's it, your crypto is now on its way to your Bitget wallet. If you found this tutorial helpful, please be sure to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.